So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Update. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows Update. Here it is. Double click on this. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic. And then click on start, which will now make the service status running. And then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the Windows Update service. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to search again and type in registry editor. Click on it. And then once this comes up, you want to click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. Now you want to expand system. Now you want to expand current control set. Now you want to expand services. Now you want to find WUAU SERV. We're going to scroll down till we get to W section. We're going to keep on going down until we find WUAU SERV. You're going to click on this, and now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you're on this, you want to find start. Double click on start. Make sure that in this box right here, you have the number 2. So make sure that in the validator box, you have the number 2, and then click on OK. See if that works for you. For the last method, you want to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. Now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And then once this comes up, you want to click on next. You want to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. Now hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem.